were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be featuring the Outre SleekLay lace front wig, specifically the blonde collection, and this is in color 3DRFF Amber Blonde in style Kimari. This is how the unit looks straight out of the box. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, an elastic band, adjustable straps. She is a side part wig with a 5-inch deep parting space, pre-made baby hairs, and HD transparent lace. So first things first, I'm going to tint my lace using the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation, then going in with Got To Be Free Spray to hold the makeup in place. Okay, so I'm pinning her back and cutting the ear tabs on each side of the lace. I'm pushing back the baby hairs of this unit just because I like to create my own look. I'm cutting my lace in 3 sections, then going in with that Ghost Bond glue to lay it all down. I'm using the stick part of my comb to smoothen it back and forth onto my skin. You're going to want to blow dry on medium heat for about 30 seconds. For a better and secure hold, I always apply a thin layer of that Ghost Bond glue 3 times in total. I wait until the glue gets tacky, then I apply the lace down directly with my fingertips. At this point, I'm going to apply my elastic headband and have the blow dryer on the highest heat setting so it can melt real nice. Here I am removing my elastic headband, and I'm just going in with a wax stick and that pressing comb to get her nice and really flat. This is going to have your lace looking more natural, so I always cut my lace off in a zigzag motion. Here I'm just going in with a bit more of that Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation for a more seamless look. I'm pulling out a thin layer of baby hairs, and I'm hardly never a side part girl, so I don't know how this will go, but we about to do some today and just see. You're going to want to use a thinner flat iron, but I'm just going to curl my baby hairs, and I'm using that Lotta Body hair foam to style them. I'm just going in with the blow dryer so these baby hairs could stay put. You don't want your baby hairs flying up and down and stuff. For these curly units, make sure you're brushing from the ends and work your way up to prevent tangles and knots, because you see her. Ooh. I'm using more of that Lotta Body hair foam to tame the frizziness and to make the curls pop. Okay? You see how this just made the curls pop? You really do need this, or else you just gonna be looking like you done been through some things. Here is the final look of this unit. Y'all, I don't know if this is my color or if it's the side part. I really wanted to love her on me. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But overall, I really do think she is a beautiful unit. She is so bouncy and full and her curls are so lovely. The texture, I feel like it's maybe a light yaki and somewhat soft. She's not big head friendly. She does fit a bit snug. So be mindful of that. As you can see, she is very long. She is 32 inches and she comes just past my butt. I did get some shedding and she does tangle, but I mean, look at her. It's to be expected. So yes, she's heat safe up to 400 degrees and comes in other colors. Some of the colors are soft blonde, wheat blonde, dark brown, and jet black. Okay, my loves, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other wigs to install. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
You were my girl. Should've made you my wife.